Located in the heart of Calgary's Beltline district, First on 10th gives you everything you need as a home base for you to explore all that downtown Calgary has to offer. Featuring 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, this pet-friendly community is complete with contemporary fixtures, spacious open-concept layouts, and private balconies. Take delight in modern and newly renovated on-site amenities like a fully equipped fitness center, resident party room, games room, indoor basketball court, and laundry facilities, each outfitted with unique art pieces helping to bring unity and excitement throughout the community. Just outside, residents enjoy a private dog park and a cozy outdoor lounge. All of this and more at First and 10th is monitored and maintained by on-site management and 24/7 security. If you manage to pull yourself away from home, you'll find trendy boutiques, vintage markets, and unbeatable dining options all just steps away. Stephen Avenue, Olympic Plaza, Arts Common, Glenbow Museum, and the Calgary Tower are also just minutes away. Join us at First and 10th, a gorgeous apartment situated in the center of some of Calgary's best sights and sounds.